scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Pricing across two markets looks tricky, but this one breaks fast. Profit rises when the firm matches price to how sensitive each market is. With market power in two separate markets, when a firm can charge different prices, profit increases through third-degree price discrimination by comparing how responsive buyers are in each market. Here's the key idea. With the same costs in both markets, the firm sets output where marginal revenue matches marginal cost, so less elastic demand supports a higher price. That means the elastic market gets the lower price, while the inelastic market gets the higher price, and that pricing pattern maximizes profit here. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Trap: do not flip elastic and inelastic. Rule: trust the demand clues and follow the pricing logic carefully.